Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add photos to favorite on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the Gallery app. In Gallery you can tap on Pictures or Albums, and in your albums go and open up the picture that you want to favorite. So say this one right here. Now to favorite a photo, you can tap on the heart icon, and that will indicate this photo has been added to favorite. And now if I tap on the back button and tap on the back button at the top here, then tap on the menu key and then tap on favorites. In here you'll be able to find all your favorite photos or pictures. And that's it. And that is how you can favorite photos in your Gallery app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.